Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, Huawei's latest flagship wireless earbuds. Let's see if they're worth your hard-earned cash. Starting off with the design and build, Huawei hasn't strayed far from the blueprint of its predecessors.
The buds maintain a sleek and compact profile, with minor refinements like a concealed hinge and a new groove on the stem for easier control access. Despite the familiarity, they're comfortable and secure, even for extended wear.
You have 4 color options to choose from, including the new green variant we have here, adding a touch of personalization to your listening experience. Plus, with an IP54 rating, these buds can handle dust and splashes without breaking a sweat. Speaking of controls, Huawei nails it with intuitive touch gestures and haptic feedback. While the software situation might be a bit of a hassle,
the on-bud controls are reliable and responsive, making navigation a breeze.
Now, let's talk sound quality and features.
The FreeBuds Pro 3 impress with a dual-driver audio system, delivering a rich and dynamic audio experience across various genres.
From EDM to podcasts, these buds have you covered.
Active noise cancelling gets an upgrade with intelligent ANC 3.0, providing effective sound isolation for immersive listening. And if you need to stay aware of your surroundings, the awareness mode comes in handy. Battery life might not be groundbreaking, but it's decent enough for daily use. With up to 6.5 hours on a single charge and a total of 31 hours with the case, you're good to go for extended listening sessions.
Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price and availability.
While Huawei undercuts its competitors with a more affordable price tag, some features are limited to Huawei devices. So, if you're invested in the Huawei ecosystem, these buds might be the perfect fit for you. In conclusion, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3 offers subtle refinements over their predecessors, making them a solid choice for those in the market for flagship wireless earbuds. Despite some minor drawbacks, they deliver excellent sound quality, reliable ANC, and a comfortable fit. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.